Einstein's Relativity 16. Displaced inertia. Einstein's general theory of relativity and inertia field theory both deal with the relationship between acceleration, gravity, and inertia. Merriam-Webster presents inertia as a noun. Inertia is the name of a property of matter by which it remains at rest or in uniform motion in the same straight line unless acted upon by some external force. Inertia field theory postulates that mass shares the space it occupies with a distinct force that perpetually exists in 4 dimensions. The force that I label as inertia field is not affected by light, so it cannot be seen. Since inertia is invisible, I represent it with a blue field as Einstein represented the invisible fabric of space-time. Matter is as much a property of inertia as inertia is a property of matter. In the case of this theory, inertia remains at rest or in uniform motion and holds on to its property, matter, unless the matter is acted upon by some external force. When matter is acted upon by some external force, it is displaced from the inertia that it is the property of, and its inertia resists the displacement. The blue cloud in this video represents volume of inertia relative to its respective mass. The blue field is a gross approximation in size and amount of dislocation between inertia and its respective matter during acceleration. The blue cloud roughly suggests a spatial relationship between inertia and its mass. During acceleration, the inertia and its matter tug on each other. This is the tug that your body feels when you leap from a ledge during the acceleration part of the fall. It's the tug that you feel when you hit the water and reverse directions from down to up in the water. The blue field is a gross approximation in size and amount of dislocation between inertia and its respective matter during acceleration. It's the tug pulling you to the back of your seat when your plane is taxiing during takeoff, and it's the tug pulling you forward when you step on the brakes. Inertia and matter are the only factors in this theory. Space and time are merely mathematical reference points for charting observations and representing variation in force at different points in time and space during acceleration. Measuring, knowing, and applying the variations in inertial force at different locations at different times is rocket science, or sports, or dance, and even everyday life. It's reasonable that the inertia of matter would be commensurate in size and dimension with the dimension and density of its matter. Inertia field theory eliminates the need for Einstein's convoluted image diagram, where length, width, and depth are summarily reduced to one dimension on a plane, leaving the width dimension to represent time and the depth dimension to represent gravity. Supposedly, Einstein's space-time fabric, quote, acts like matter. We are left in the parochial mindset where only things that act like matter can move matter. In inertia field theory, inertia acts like inertia, matter acts like matter, and the conversion of matter to energy causes acceleration that in turn temporarily dislocates matter from its inherent inertia as they tug each other back to their mutually common location.